Well, I feel like no hope. I'm sad, lonesome, and blue. I was fair as a summer day. Now the summer days are through. You pass through places, and places pass through you, but you carry 'em with you on the soles of your traveling suits. Well, I love you so dearly, I love you so clearly. I wake you up in the morning so early just to tell you I got the wandering blues. I got the wandering blues, and I'm gonna quit these rambling ways one of these days soon. Oh, and I sang the littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. The littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. The littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. And the littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. Worst times like these, I feel so small and wild, like the rambling footsteps of a wandering child. And I'm lonesome as a lonesome whippoorwill, singing these blues with a warble and a trill. But I'm not too blue to fly. No, I'm not too blue to fly. 'Cause the littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. The littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. The littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. And the littlest birds sing the prettiest songs. For I love you so dearly, I love you so fearlessly. I wake you up in the morning so early just to tell you I got the wandering blues. I got the wandering blues, and I don't wanna leave you. I love you through and through. Well, I left my baby on a pretty blue train, and I sang my songs to the cold and rain. And I had the wandering blues, and I sang those wandering blues, and I'm gonna quit